Good. Welcome all of you to this my video. In this video, I am going to discuss a sphere and hemisphere. As you observe in figure, this is a circular sheet. As you observe here, this is circular sheet. As you observe, AB is a diameter. When we revolve this circular sheet about its diameter, as you observe, revolve speedily, we observe we get a sphere. While revolving, we get a solid figure, and this is a sphere, as you observe here. I only want to discuss here when we have to find out the area of circle. Area of circle. What we write here? A radius. When we rotate one leg of compass about its fixed point, that is about its iron leg, and we get a circle. Here, the distance between its two legs is said to be radius. We represent it R. So, area of circle pi R square. But when we have to form a sphere, what we have to do? We rotate circular sheet about its diameter. Only I want to express here what is role of radius in circle. Very similar role diameter in hemisphere. As you observe here, the center of the sheet is also center of the sphere, and the radius of the sheet is also radius of the hemisphere. Only difference is here. Circular sheet is a plane figure, 2D figure. A sphere is a 3D figure. And when we rotate this circular sheet about its diameter, about AB, we get a solid figure, like as you observe here. We get a sphere. Here we find out surface area. Surface area of a sphere, that is pi d square. D for diameter, or we write here 2r square, that is 4 pi r square. Surface area of a sphere. When we discuss hemisphere, what we get here? Hemisphere when we draw a hemisphere and a right circular cone and a right circular cone, both radius are equal, and height of right circular cone is also equal to its radius. Radius is r. Here also radius is r. So what we get here? Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. When h equals to r, So what we get? 1 by 3 pi r square into r, that is r cube. Here just I am going to do an activity. When we pour 2 times water from conical vessel to hemispherical vessel, what we get? It is filled completely. So if volume of cone is V1, volume of hemisphere is V2, then what we get by experiment? V2 equals to 2 into V1, or putting the value of V1, this is the V1. So get here 2 into 1 by 3 pi r cube, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Again, it's quite clear. The volume of a sphere is just twice the volume of a sphere. So V3, volume of a sphere, equals to 2 into V2, that is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we get here 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now I just going to make a list of formula. A sphere, very first, surface area. And we observe here, in the case of a sphere, it has only chord surface area. It hasn't a plane surface. So in the case of a sphere, either you can say total surface area or surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square. Second, volume of a sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. For hemisphere, very first, C as a chord surface area. This is half of the sphere, that is 2 pi r square. This is a sphere and its half portion, half chord surface area, that is half of the sphere. Area of base, it's quite clear when we cut it. So what we get? Its base is just like a circle, that is pi r square, and TSA, total surface area, by adding both 2 plus 1 3 pi r square. Fourth and last, volume of hemisphere, half of the sphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you, that's all.